How are you? How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. How about you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm fine also. So you are all dressed up. Do you want to go somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so where you will go today?
Fair.
Oh, after the session?
Yes, ma'am. After the session.
Okay, so with your mother or with your dad?
With my mother.
Okay, so what things you're gonna do there? Have you decided?
Yes, ma'am. I will sit on the swing and jump on bouncy castle.
Oh, you seem to be excited.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm excited.
It shows by your face. You look too sweet today. And tell me that how your sessions going? How many sessions you have taken so far on English Shari?
Five. Third, ma'am.
6 sessions. Okay. So with me only or with other tutors also?
With you and one Mariam.
And with you, ma'am, and one more, ma'am, Marian.
Mariam.
ma'am.
Oh.
One second.
So how was the session?
The session was really good.
Okay. So what did she teach you?
She taught about books.
Okay. She taught. Teach. Taught. Past tense should be she taught me about books.
She taught me about books.
Okay. So could you tell me that in your school, like in your class, what parts of grammar are there in English?
In my school?
Yeah.
No, ma'am, there is no grammar.
Okay. So what things are there in your syllabus?
In my syllabus, there is only one grammar which teacher has. First one, adjective. Adjective and pronoun.
Only adjective and pronoun you know in English grammar?
No, ma'am, other things.
What are the things you know in grammar?
There are 8 types of part of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, and one more last one.
Preposition.
Yes, ma'am, preposition.
So all this you know. Do you know tense?
I'm learning, ma'am.
Okay, all right, that's good. So among all the parts of speech, which one do you like the most?
Adjective and pronoun and noun and verb. These.
Mostly all you like.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why do you like adjective? Like, what do you think about it? Why do you like it?
Adjective is a thing that for example, that's a beautiful car. Beautiful is showing the what we say? Is showing something. That's beautiful is the adjective.
Yes. And verb?
Verb like an action verb.
Could you tell me one example?
Like he is running. Running is the verb.
Yeah, right. And now?
In noun there are there is place. There are nouns are there. The name of the noun: place, person, place, thing, animal, emotion or idea.
Yeah, like abstract noun is there, common noun, proper noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. You know all of them. And what is preposition? Just a little bit, could you tell?
Preposition is like behind, under, beneath. For example, I am the what we say, I am beneath the earth.
Yes, right. Before position, it's preposition.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about conjunction?
Conjunction.
Yeah.
No. Conjunction is a thing, what we say,
Joining word.
Yes, ma'am, joining word. And is, for example.
Yes, right. Join. It joins two words.
Yes, it joins two verbs.
Ritika and Arpita. So and is conjunction.
Yes, and is joining the words.
Yeah, good, you know. And what about article?
Article, there are three type of article, what we say, the a and n is the, we call a and n
The.
indefinite of, the is called indefinite article and a and n called, there is we say a and n some.
Okay, no need to say what type of article. You just know a and the, that's enough. Okay. So, and what are the vowels?
Ma'am,
Vowels.
vowels.
Yeah.
A, E, I, O, U.
Good. You know everything. Bravo. So, do you have any English teacher, like a private tutor?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, who taught all of this? Like your parents or your school?
My parents, my father taught.
Okay. So, do you have any private tutor, like any teacher do you have who teaches you subject?
This subject.
No, any
Yes.
other subject?
Any other subject like English in school. Sometimes our ma'am teach grammar. Not every day, but sometimes.
Okay. And what about other geography, history, and other subjects? Who teaches? Like, do you have teachers?
Not history, science, not the subject. English, Hindi, Marathi, and maths and computer are the subject only.
Okay. So, for any private tutor, do you have for computer, Hindi, Marathi, or you learn at home only by yourself?
My father helped me to learn because I am learning Marathi.
Okay. Oh, your father only guides you. Like you don't have any. You don't go to for tuition classes, right?
Yes, ma'am. I don't go to tuition classes.
Oh. Okay, that's good. So Marathi is your first language, no?
No, ma'am. Hindi is my first language.
Okay. Marathi you're learning. So how is Marathi?
I think Marathi is quite hard for me.
Okay. Why do you think so?
Because I cannot read the words. What like some. Ma'am, do you know Marathi?
No, I don't know. I know Bengali, Hindi, English, and Punjabi. I can understand. I can speak little bit. Spanish, I am learning it.
Okay, ma'am.
Urdu, I can understand, and little bit I can speak.
So, ma'am, what did you say?
Urdu.
Urdu.
Urdu, there is a language, you know, Muslim people. Yeah, Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam, Janab. Like little bit like similar to Hindi, but little bit difference is there. Urdu.
Okay.
So Marathi, how much? Can you speak Marathi?
No, ma'am, I cannot speak Marathi.
Okay. Can you tell me that my name is Ritika in Marathi?
Like we call it like something. माझा नाव रितिका लोधी आहे.
Oh, माझं नाव Ritika Lodi. Oh, that's good. So it's been how many months or years that you are learning Marathi?
I'm learning right now
How many days it has become?
I think 2 days or 3.
Only 2 or 3 days. Like, I mean to say, from which class you are having Marathi as a subject?
Third class. Third and all the classes. First, second, third, fourth. All the class has Marathi subject.
Okay, so from first grade till what grade you have Marathi?
Fourth.
So this will be the last year of learning Marathi.
Yes, I'm learning Marathi now.
The 4th class will be the last year. From 5th class, do you have Marathi as a subject?
I really don't know. I will see later when I will be in 5th class.
Oh,
If I have.
okay. All right. Did you go to school today?
Yes, ma'am, I went and I have just arrived from school. On 12 o'clock, I arrived.
At 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock.
Remember earlier I told you when you were talking about time, 1 p.m.,
Yes.
whatever, at. It's preposition.
At 12.
Say.
Nothing else. So
You wanted to say something.
I was saying I arrived at 12 o'clock.
Correct. Okay. So, how many periods do you have at school?
8 plus 8 period.
Okay. Each for 45 minutes?
45 or I don't know. So I think my timetable is
I think it would be each period for 30 minutes, I guess.
yes. Ma'am, you're right.
Okay. So, what all the classes you have, like it was taken at your school, all the classes?
Not today because our exam is going on.
Okay. Which subject?
English.
How did that go?
It was quite good. In the test, they were asking about pronoun, adjective, noun, and other.
Okay. So, how much marks it was? Out of how?
6, all of the 6. So in we must get 40.
Total, how much the paper was?
Ma'am, what?
It was the exam of how much? The marks?
40 marks.
40 marks. Okay. So, did you attend all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You attended all. So, how many you will be getting it right?
I don't know when the result will be out. We'll see how much I got.
Okay. But still, you just guess that. What do you think? How your performance was?
Okay, now I will check, ma'am, if my maths correct or wrong.
Oh. All right. And all the exams are over, or you have any more exams?
All exams are over.
Oh, wow. That's why you are going to fair today.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, party hard. So, after coming from fair, what you would do?
After coming from fair, so what will I do? I'm not quite sure. I think I will read a book and then go out with my friends, with my sister.
Okay. All right. So, the book will be textbook or storybook?
Ma'am, this book. My book, textbook.
Oh, textbook. Which subject it is?
It is English.
Oh, English.
Reflection.
Science?
Reflection.